guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Camille, and as you've probably read from the title and as you can see from my background, this video is a room decor haul. So I got most of my decors from Shopee and from a bunch of local stores here in my area. Hindi ko binili lahat ng decors ko sa Shopee, and the reason for that is because I've watched a lot of room decor hauls from local YouTubers, and I noticed that almost everyone had the same room aesthetic. Kasi pare-parehas sila ng mga room decors na binibili. I just wanted to be more specific and more unique with this bedroom. So I just bought a few trinkets from Shopee, but these are so nice. You're gonna want to buy them as soon as possible. And I also went on an adventure to buy unique finds. I recently discovered Japan Surplus, and it's like the local thrift store where you'll be able to find furnitures, ceramics, and a bunch of cute stuff. One last thing before we move on to the haul. This video is the part 1 of my mini room series. Part 2 is gonna be my room makeover, so stay tuned for that. Also, once you're done watching this video, try to guess what the theme of my room is gonna be and comment it down below. So anyways, now let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you the things that I got from Shopee. But before that, let me show you what's happening in my background. So many decors to show you guys, so keep watching the video. Anyways, this is the first decor that arrived. I can put it on my table, or I can also hang it up on my wall. I'm gonna hang it up on my wall because I think it's cuter that way. This also comes in another color, which is black, but I just decided to buy this white one because I think it looks more clean. I don't know, I like the color white more than the color black. This is around 200 plus, pero naging 300 siya because of the shipping. Not bad kasi it's a really high quality clock. It can also serve as your alarm clock. Tapos meron din siyang feature where you can see what day it is today. Next, I got this glass bubble jar. I got this for only 199 pesos, and it's the cheapest price that I was able to find on Shopee kasi yung ibang shops nagsisell ng ganito for around 300 plus. Although, I'm sorry if by the time that you're watching this video and you wanna buy this as well pero sold out pa. They said that they will restock in about 2 to 3 weeks. So just patiently wait for the shop to restock so that you can buy this as well. Just add it to your likes na lang muna for now. This comes in 3 colors. So they have it in transparent, in black, and in amber. Amber is like goldish. By the way, when this arrived, sobrang secure ng packaging, so props to the seller. Next, I got some candles from Candy Candles, and these are so cute and they smell so good, you guys. Pwede nang bumaba sa pwesto si Yankee Candles, and Candy Candles can step up and take their throne. So I got this cube ones, and this is pretty famous on Pinterest. I got it in vanilla and in lavender. Kahit hindi ko pa sila nila light up, amoy na yung scent nila, so I definitely recommend this shop. And then I bought another set of candles from them. This is the heart candles. Like, look at the packaging, it's so cute. I forgot to mention the price. These cube ones costs for like 180 peso each, and then this heart candles that comes in 3 pieces, 300 plus. Hindi ko masyado maalala yung exact price, I'll just put it down below. These are pretty small, I know, but it's just so cute. I also made a request to the seller if I can customize the colors and the scents, and she was so nice. She just said, noted. Okay, the next thing that I ordered from Shopee is this dried flowers from Dried Memories PH. This was my pahabol purchase on Shopee. Like, in-order ko lang to a few days ago and then it arrived quickly. Pero yeah, kaya hindi ko pa siya natatanggal sa packaging niya. I just wanted to show you guys how secure the packaging is. It smells so good kasi totoo siyang dried flowers. So I got this all na for 200 plus. Binibili mo siya per stem. Guys, ang bango talaga niya. It smells like my lavender candle from Candy Candles. Oh my gosh, perfect. Okay, next I'm gonna show you my favorite room decor purchase from Shopee. Are you guys ready for this? So here's a little story time as to how I found this on Shopee. So I was scrolling on my Instagram feed, and then I noticed that I was following this certain room decor shop. It's a local shop, and super cute kasi ng mga room decors nila, but pretty expensive. So I was just liking their posts, and then I saw this flip phone on one of their photos, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's super cute. So tinry ko lang i-search sa Shopee. I just searched flip phone. Literally, yun lang yung sinerch ko. And then, ang daming lumabas na pages. This is from China pa. So, I was like, sige, try ko na lang din bilhin kasi mas mura pa. And then, wala pa kasi itong reviews. It's a real telephone, by the way. It's a real landline. May wire siya na kasama that you can use if you really want to use it. Pero, I don't think I will. I also got a bedsheet set from Shopee, but it's currently in the laundry, so I can't show it to you right now. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I got it for around 600 pesos. But I'm kind of regretting it even though maganda naman yung color. But it's partly my fault for regretting it kasi hindi ko nabasa na duvet cover lang pala yung kasama, not the duvet itself, not the comforter itself. So yeah, medyo expensive for 600 pesos na wala namang comforter, but I still like it. I'm definitely gonna use it pa rin. But anyways, I got it in the color Old Rose, so stay tuned for my room makeover video so you can see what it really looks like on my bed. Okay, now we're down to the last two items that I got from Shopee, which are not small room decors. These are items that you can use outside your bedroom. You can use these in your office, in your kitchen, or anywhere. So if you already guessed it by now, yes, it's this chair and this trolley. I got these also from Shopee. So I got this chair on sale. I think the original price is around 3,700 pesos, but I got it for only 3,099 pesos. This is in the color beige, and I think the color is quite nice. It matches perfectly with my table. Oh, by the way, this also comes in a lot of different colors. They have it in pink, in black, in brown, and a bunch more, so you guys better check this out. Okay, next I got this pink trolley from Shopee that I've been seeing around in malls, pero expensive doon, so I didn't want to buy that. I got this for only 650 pesos. Yung mga nasa mall, 1,000 plus. May nakita ako, 3,000 pa. Oh my gosh, super expensive sa malls. Shopee is the key. I was planning to get this in the beige color para match siya sa chair ko. Pero nung nasa cart ko na, bigla siya nag-sold out. So I had no choice but to choose another color. This comes in 3 colors, which are pink, blue, and green, I think. So I just decided to go with the pink because it also matches my room a bit. Those are all the things that I got from Shopee. Now let's move on to the things that I got from Mr. DIY. Mr. DIY is a shop that I recently discovered here in my area. I think they also have different branches around the Philippines. And it's so cool, you guys. It's like Daiso, but better. So I'm gonna show you some things here, and I don't have any links for Mr. DIY. Syempre, pumunta ako sa physical store nila. So I'll just try to find the same exact things on Shopee and link it down below for you guys. So first I got this pink basket. I don't know, it's pretty random. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. It's literally a basket and it's colored pink. And then I got this. It's a push cart, but the only problem is this is smaller than this, so medyo off yung sizing nila. And I'm definitely sure na meron ito sa Shopee kasi nakita ko ito muna sa Shopee before ko siya nakita sa Mr. DIY, so I got you guys. Next, I got this mirror for when I do my makeup. It's pretty simple and it's frameless, by the way, as you can tell. The reason why I got this super basic one is because I'm gonna decorate the edges with some foam gap. Is it called a foam gap or like expanding foam? You know that TikTok trend, the DIY foam mirror? I'm gonna try to do that here and on my full-length mirror. I bought a foam gap from Mr. DIY as well, and I'm still trying to figure out how to use it. Okay, next I got these pegboards. I got 4 pieces. It says here that it's called a perforated board. I'm not sure if that's another term for a pegboard. Pretty self-explanatory, but this is just what the back part looks like. Now, since we're talking about pegboards, of course I had to buy some hooks and some shelves. First, I got these square-shaped shelves. These are made specifically for the pegboards that I bought. And then I got these, I don't know what you call them, but I'm gonna attach it to the back part of the pegboard so that I can hang the pegboard onto my wall. So I only got these 2 packs. Next, I got some hooks. First are these like long ones. I got 2 packs again so that I have 4 pieces. I got these 3 by 5 centimeter hooks. Oops. And lastly, I got these 3x1 centimeter hooks, and yeah, this is the smallest one that I was able to find. Okay, moving on, I got this door hanger. Is that what it's called? I just think it's really cute. I love the colorful little balls here at the front. So I got these A4 sized photo frames. I guess I'm gonna print out some Pinterest photos and put it here and then hang it up on my wall. I only got 3 pieces. Then I have here some organizers to clean my mess. So I bought these little random bins. I got it in white and in pink. I don't know if you can see it, but there are some heart details all around it. Clear organizers. This is just for storing my pens and my notepads. And then last, for my organization stuff, I have here this beige basket. I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna put in here. Maybe some of the things that I don't know where else to put or like to display. I forgot to tell you earlier, but I got some more hooks. These ones are for my walls and not for my pegboards. Got 2 packs of these butterfly hooks that are just in plain white color. And I got another set of hooks that are also in white. But these ones are just heart-shaped. Isn't it so cute? The last item that I got from Mr. DIY is this pink tray. I think this is meant for the kitchen, you know, to store your condiments and stuff. But I just decided to get one for my bedroom because I can use this on my desk, like to organize some containers and then some notebooks underneath here maybe. This is also another item that I'm sure is on Shopee because I saw one in beige. The next item that I bought for my room is this cute little lamp. It's just this plain pink lamp that I got from Finds at Vista Mall. I've been looking for the perfect lamp for my room and I'm so happy I found this. It's just, it matches everything. It also comes with a light bulb, but I haven't attached it yet. Now we're gonna move on to the last type of decors that I got, which are ceramics. I got a lot of ceramics from our local thrift store, which is Japan Surplus. You guys better try hopping into the Japan Surplus trend. Wag ginawang trend. I totally forgot. I also went to the Pitan Arcade. I also got some ceramics from there, so hindi ko na napansin. But good thing I remembered. So I only got 4 items from the Pitan Arcade kasi puro rustic, like wooden things yung mga nandun. And medyo expensive. First, I have here this glass. I originally wanted the pink one, pero wala na ako nakita nung umikot na kami. So I just decided to get this one. And then I got these colorful plates and candle holder. Look at that! Looks so nice. Everything that I'm about to show you are fragile items, so I gotta be careful on where to place them. I'm not sure kung saan ko pa sila i-display. Probably sa shelves and also here on my table. This one is kind of like a plate that you would use to cook your lasagna or something. Anyways, I just like the color. And then I got this big one. I'm probably gonna put some of my makeup here or like skincare stuff. Okay, now ito na talaga. Papakita ko na sa inyo yung mga things na nabili ko sa Japan Surplus. I actually went to 2 Japan Surplus here, pero most of the things that I got are from the first one kasi mas maganda doon. So first, I got this pink floral plate where I'm probably gonna put some of my rings. Honestly, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga function na itong mga nabili ko. Like, I just bought them because they're all so cute. Next, I got this like square plate in aqua blue color, and then there's just a floral design here at the front. By the way, all of the ceramics that I got from Japan Surplus are like 30 pesos up to like 70 pesos each. So grabe, sobrang sulit na. Next, I have here this shell bowl. It's literally in a shell shape. Like, look, it's so pretty. I got this because I remembered I also bought a shell-shaped like throw pillow, so it will match perfectly with this. Then I got another one na clear lang din, but in the shape of a flower. I got this blue crystal-y like bowl. Then I got this super tiny purple bowl, and then it has some flower designs here inside. And then I got this saucer, is that what it's called? I'm not sure. Pero kasi dito mo nilalagay yung mga soy sauce. Pero I think I'm gonna use this for storing my rings. This plain white bowl that has some wavy patterns here at the side. It's just a simple bowl. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but I'll figure it out. This oval shaped like plate or bowl, I don't know, but it's just in this green color. So pretty. I don't know if you can see the color green kasi medyo clear siya. Oh, and this one is the only non-ceramic thing that I got from Japan Surplus. By the way, lahat ng mga binili ko sa Japan Surplus or even yung mga Shopee packages ko na dumadating, I make sure to sanitize everything first before bringing it up here in my room. Like, itong mga ceramics na to, guys, isa-isa ko pa yan hinugasan. This one is so cute. I think I only got this for 30 pesos. This is just a small heart-shaped, I don't know how to explain things. Basta lahat sila ceramics ang tawag ko. Pero it's just this small decorative piece, and it just says I love you here at the front. Next, I got these small bowls. It's so cute, diba? Sobrang liit. I got it in blue and in green. It's super random. I don't know what this is called. Basta pang display ko lang siya na ganyan. Yun na yun. Yun na yung reason ba't ko binili. Okay, next I got these candle holders. I think this is a candle holder. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Anyways, this one is an actual candle holder. Yun pala yung hindi ko nasama sa haul na to, like candles. I'm planning on buying those spiral candles that's very famous on TikTok. I wanted to buy on Shopee pero medyo expensive yung shipping. Then I got these glass containers. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. Probably some dried flowers. This one naman is an actual cup, I think. Diba? Mukha siyang glass. Mukha siyang cup. But lahat naman to gagamitin ko for decorative purposes only. So I'm probably gonna use them as vases. This plain yellow cup or glass. This is just for storing, again, my pens and stuff. Then this one, it's so vintage looking. I got this white vase that I'm definitely gonna use for my flowers or fake leaves. Look, it's a teapot, pero parang vase din siya at the same time. So I'm just gonna use it as a vase. Oh my gosh, parang cute din siya pag isasabit ko sa wall. This one is more of a teapot than the other one kasi isa parang vase. You can literally boil water in this, pero for display ko lang siya. Well, I guess we're down to the last items that I got. This blue frame with some hearts on it. It's just a small frame that I'm gonna put on my table. It's so tiny, but at the same time, it looks like it came from an early 2000s film or something. Okay, for the other picture frame that I got from Japan Surplus is this one. Ito talaga, guys. Super vintage talaga yung style niya. Diba ganito yung mga types of frames na uso before? Too gorgeous. Sobrang vintage looking niya. And I guess that's about it. Those are all the decors that I got from different shops, including Shopee. I also got some more stuff like spray paints and expanding foam, wallpapers, and all that boring stuff. Hindi ko na sila sinama sa haul na to kasi hindi naman sila room decors. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any idea on what the theme of my room is gonna be. Anyways, I enjoyed filming this so much. I'm so excited for my room to be finished. See you on my next video. Bye!
We tell you all the time, baby.